Hello! We would like to present you a new feature implemented in our product release 2018.08. It is called Final Passes, and it is available in Multiblade machining roughing pattern. Final cuts are additional cuts along the wall that can improve the wall surface quality. To use this feature, we have to open the UI, go to Surface Path, choose Roughing as Pattern, and here we can see the parameters that influence the final cuts. Their number, their step over, and also the feed rate. Here we can see 3 final cuts with a step over of 1.5. To better see the effect of this feature, we can compare it with a toolpath that doesn't have final passes active. Now, the highlight, it is on the toolpath with no final passes. Furthermore, we can set a feed rate for these final passes. This feed rate is input as percentage, and it represents the percentage of the cut feed rate. If we calculate and simulate this file, we will see that on the first cuts, this feed rate, the cut feed rate is imposed, and on the final passes, the feed rate imposed is applied. Thank you for your attention.